So certainly out of the green light in Vrindavan. And Jiva Goswami Pad and his commentaries and his tika on Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Rupa Goswami is talking about the Panchanga Bhakti. He's talking about Bhagavat Shravan, hearing the Srimad Bhagavatam. It's so powerful. And Jiva Goswami says in his tika, because Rupa Goswami asked Jiva, Jiva's a Diksha disciple of Rupa. Rupa's a Diksha disciple of Sanatan. Sanatan took Diksha from Vidya Vachaspati. Vidya Vachaspati is the Diksha Guru of Sanatan, and Sanatan is Diksha Guru Rupa, and Rupa is Diksha Guru Jiva. And Gopal Bhatta, he took, I'm not sure who he took from, not any of them. And then Raghunath Bhatta, I'm not sure. Maybe his father or someone, I'm not sure. Maybe Gopal Bhatta took from his father, Venkata Bhatta, I can't say. I'm not sure. Well, some, I don't, sometimes, I'm not sure. You'd have to ask, who is the Diksha Guru of Gopal Bhatta? They may say Lord Chaitanya or something, but that's what people, Lokanath, Narottam Parivar, they say Lokanath took from Lord Chaitanya, but he didn't. He actually took from Advaitacharya. But they don't say that. And they call it Narottam Parivar, which means disciples of Lokanath. Lokanath, and they say when you meet them that Lokanath took directly, but there's no history anywhere in any Shastra Lord Chaitanya gave Diksha to anyone, including Lokanath. They say, so we respect that. And the only praman we have that says differently is by an associate of Advaitacharya who wrote the story of Advaitacharya, Advaita Prakash, and there it says Advaitacharya gave Diksha to Lokanath. But hundreds of years ago they accepted that, but then over time Narottam became so prominent, it's not even Lokanath. It's not Advaita Parivar, it's called Narottam Parivar. That's some history point. At any rate, so this, when he's commenting there, Jiva Goswami, about the Bhagavatam, he says, Rupa Goswami has asked me to comment. So Rupa Goswami is saying we should hear the Bhagavatam while living in Vrindavan, or anywhere. It's the most powerful. But what he means to say is we should concentrate on the 10th canto. And on the 10th canto, especially the pastimes of Radha and Krishna, Madhurya Leela. Venugit, Gopi Git, Pranaya Git, Brahmar Git, and Viraha Git. These are, of course, Ras Leela. And some of these Gitas are in Ras Leela. Pranaya Git is chapter 29, Pranaya Git. Chapter 31 is Gopi Git. And chapter 35 is Yugal Git. Chapter 21 is Venu Git. Chapter 39 is Viraha Git. And chapter 47 is Yugal Git. Brahmar Git. These 5 or 6 Gits are specifically talking about the gopis, and the whole Pancha Prana, the Bhagavatam, the Ras Leela, they're all about the gopis. These are very anukulya for Gaudiya, Tattva Siddhanta for the Sadhya. Sadhya means the goal of Bhakti Bhajan as a Gaudiya Vaishnava.